What's up, everybody? My name is Keegan with Sierra, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new floor plan, the 3990 FL. So our 3990 FL fifth wheel will come standard with 6-point automatic electric leveling, and it will come standard with 7,000-pound dual axles and Goodyear tires. We also, for this year, are offering the TST tire pressure monitoring system. So that's a very good way to monitor your tire pressure going down the highway and make sure you're not gonna have an accident or blowout. When we talk about the exteriors of a Sierra, one of the top features is going to be a 2-inch thick vacuum bonded wall. So that is going to be the same across all of our fifth wheels and destination travel trailers. One of the other great features of our exteriors is going to be the More Ride step with the strut. So it's very light, it actually almost floats. So if you've got bad shoulders or if your kids like helping, it's a little bit safer and a little bit easier on your body. We also offer an oversized entry door and an oversized grab handle, so that way it's easy to get almost anything in and out, especially when you're carrying groceries for that long camping trip. So moving on into the kitchen, our Sierra fifth wheels will offer this beautiful 17-foot stainless refrigerator. It's also got a big freezer down here. We'll do our 30-inch OTR stainless microwave that matches the range. And then one of my favorite features on our interiors is we're gonna do soft close hidden hinge drawers pretty much everywhere, even on the outside of the units. So that's gonna help with the longevity of your cabinets, and it's also nice because your fingers won't get smashed inside. So moving on to the inside of this floor plan, kind of the focal point is going to be your front windshield with a pop-up 50-inch TV. So this can come down, obviously, when you're entertaining guests. The seating area is a great spot to watch the game, and these couches will both actually pull out and there'll still be space to walk in the center. So that way, if you've got a few extra guests, they've still got a spot to sleep. Our Sierras offer a foot flush porcelain toilet, and it also has a nice walk-in shower. That way you can actually, turn around and you're not like Buddy the Elf on the movie. So the main draw to this floor plan is going to be the loft and a half. So back here is your master suite that drops down, and then you'll have a full loft on this side and you'll have a half loft on this side for either extra kids or extra storage. Is actually a perfect space if you've got slidable totes. And we've also got dual 15K ACs with the dump here and in this room, so you'll stay cool. Once again, this was our 3990 FL from Sierra. If you guys have any questions or comments, please check out the website at forestriverinc.com/Sierra. or give us a shout on Facebook or Instagram.